Hello, I'm Pedro Velasco with Roll-to-Roll Technologies out of Stillwater, Oklahoma. For the past 10 years, we have been providing the converting industry with solutions in web guiding and web monitoring. Today, I want to talk to you about the SCU6x Controller. Earlier this year, we introduced to the converting industry a new controller, the SCU6x. This is a controller for a wide variety of applications, useful in web guiding, with measurement, and web monitoring. What this means is that now you don't need different controller models in your inventory. All you need is one. SCU6X is a step up from its predecessor, the SCU5 controller. It has improved processing speed and memory to allow its use in inspection applications and the ability to work with wider range sensors while maintaining higher resolution, something that other controllers are limited. Additionally, you will be able to control multiple sensors from one controller. This controller has been designed to integrate the controller driver and operator interface into one compact package, therefore reducing your inventory. Additional features provide safety for the personnel in operation, increased reliability, and capability to handle higher thrust actuators for heavy coil loads. Like the SCU5, the SCU6X maintains the technology that sets us apart from our competitors. There is no need to set up or do any calibration to the controller when you are faced with differences in materials or changes in the environment. It has a simple and easy to operate interface, so the operator doesn't have to deal with complicated steps, relying on a checklist that has to be used at the production line. Additionally, our controllers are easy to install with a plug-and-play system, using industry-standard connectors. When we say that this is a one-controller solution for multiple applications, we mean that you can do web guiding in any form, monitor the width of your web, any width, measure multiple strips simultaneously of any width of strips, including width of contrast on the surface of the web. And all these applications work in all the industries in the converting world. It does not matter what materials you process or what products you make. SCU6 is the simple solution to multiple web guiding and monitoring applications. Why have different controllers for different applications when you can have only one model in your plant? We pride ourselves not only in creating great simple solutions in our controllers and sensors for web guiding and monitoring, but also in providing instruction in our field of knowledge, which is web handling. Watch our videos on our YouTube channel where we have videos for instructional purposes on the field and different applications. We do appreciate if you give us a like on our video so that we know we are heading on the right direction. And if you have any issues in your converting line regarding web guiding with measurement or web monitoring, or questions regarding the SCU6 or any of our sensor products, visit our website and use our contact page to send us your inquiry or to call us. We hope you see the value of the SCU6X on your converting line. We look forward to hearing from you and wish you the best.